Hi, my name Jirapat Pumusharapan, or nickname you can call me first. Alright. Today I just read about this. Yeah, from you. You get this to us. Yeah. I read it and it feels like, what the fuck is this? Why did he so mad about Thailand government and some student education in Thailand democracy? What? Okay. This I read this and I am very mad. You know, I read it to you. I have chosen to quit teaching because I see no future for the Thai education system. Yeah, I agree with that. You know, some of Thai people, they don't want to learn in Thai because it sucks. We suck. But you should know some of our students in Thailand. Some of them, they try so hard to study, not just all of them. Me, I learn and listen to what teachers say every day, every time. I'm not skip anything. I'm not taking shit. I'm not praying. I'm listening. I'm studying. What I want to say is, you shouldn't take an advantage of Thai students because you saw them, not us. If some of them, not us. Some of us, not them. I agree with you half and half. Not all of it. It's stupid to accept what you talk about us. Just a bad thing and bad thing and fucking bad thing and more bad thing. Yeah, your nation good, your education good. Yeah, so what? You're a teacher. You're teaching. Your job is teaching. Not fucking get money and get out there. Just teach and not teach them what is good, what is right, what is wrong. And like that will be a good example to all of us, the students in Thailand. What in this guy do, teacher? This guy is just teaching and get money, not teaching in the education system like he talks so much. Just 6 years, 6 years, and you try to not stay more. Just try to accept them. We are Thailand. We Thai people. And you know about Thai people, right? Most of them, they are lazy, they stupid, they selfishness, they praying, they fucking nonsense. Even my class, Jan, you know, even in my class, I'm mad at them. I can't even listen to what my teacher says. Every time, every day, I can't understand what my teacher tried to say, and I don't know what to do, so I just stare at them. When are you gonna stop talking? Fucking idiots. I don't want to stop them. Once I shout at them to stop fucking talking about anything nonsense that not even in the class teaching lesson. And you know what they say to me? Fuck you. Yeah, that's all they say. They want to talk and praying. It's nothing about me. Yeah, I have to accept one or two things about you in this. Yeah, I accept it. But not